Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm happy to be participating in the summer vignette collab hosted by Bree from Bree's Project Book and Cheryl from iStyle My Style. We've been tasked with creating a vignette, whether it be a tablescape, coffee table styling, or even a coffee bar. But the thing that we must do is we must incorporate black and white into our vignette. So, as you can see here, I did my coffee table. So if you want to see how I put everything together, just keep on watching. Okay, penny pinchers, here is what I have done. I have done a vignette on my coffee table, and as you can see, I have kept my tray that I've always had on there. I love this tray on here because it is so big and it holds a lot. Inside of the tray, I have put some coasters, as well as I added these beautiful candlesticks that I DIY'd a while back, and I will leave a link below, that way you can check out that video. And then just moving over here, I have this beautiful white elephant. I've had it for many years, but decided to use it as a part of this vignette today. And behind that, I have my white Chanel books, this vase that I have sprayed also using Rust-Oleum spray paint black to match my candlesticks. And then I just went in with these faux white flowers. Now I've added some greenery to my vignette to give it a little more life. So I have these tiny ones at the bottom, and then I have these bigger ones on top of the candlestick. Okay guys, I have made just a little bit of a change, just a very slight change, where I removed the elephant and just replaced it with this old candle jar from White Barn. And I have placed a totally dazzled brooch just on top of that to add a little bit of pizzazz. Now this was an old jar that I used, old candle that I used. The candle was finished and I just spray painted it with the spray paint that I used for these candle holders as well as the vase. Just made it into what I wanted it to be, and then I added this beautiful brooch, and it is standing on one of my mini cupcake stands. Everything else I have kept. Okay guys, go ahead and let me know which one of these vignettes you prefer. If you prefer the one with the elephant or this one right here that you're looking at with the old candle jar and the brooch attached. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I would also like to thank Bree from Bree's Project Book and Cheryl from iStyle My Style for hosting this amazing collab, which gives me an opportunity to showcase my black and white. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you ladies so much. I will leave a link to the playlist below, so please be sure to go ahead and check out the playlist as well. Make sure you go over to Bree's Project Book and iStyle My Style. Check out their channels. They have great content, and make sure you subscribe. Before I go guys, don't forget to check out my second channel, Cooking with Shelly, where I share authentic Jamaican dishes with you guys. So please head on over and check me out. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for coming by. I truly do appreciate your presence and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload videos such as this. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher, Shalomi, saying bye-bye.